All right, let's find the angle here that is coterminal to negative 110 degrees. So since the given angle is negative, what I'm going to do is plot that angle on my coordinate system. Now remember, since it's negative, we're going to be rotating clockwise, okay? We always start 0 on the right, and now we're going to go around, and it's negative because we're going clockwise, so every time you go to a new quadrant, it's always 90 degrees. So that's why we have the layout as we do. So now the question is, where is then a negative 110 degrees? Well, if you start on the positive x, and now you got to rotate in the clockwise direction, well, this would have been a 90-degree rotation, and maybe that's 20 more degrees, right? So maybe this is going to be a 110-degree angle. Okay, negative 110 though. Now, coterminal. Co means with, terminal means end. So this right here was the end. Okay, this line, this side right here, was the terminal side of this angle. Okay, so let me put that maybe in black for now. So this line right over here represents the terminal end. Okay, terminal end. Now then, to find the coterminal angle, what you have to do is you have to start back at 0, but this time what we're going to do is we're going to rotate now in a, hold on one second, we're going to rotate now in a clockwise fashion, but we have to end at the same terminal, meaning we got to rotate around, and then stop there, okay? So the question now becomes, well, what in the world is then this angle that I just created? Okay, what in the world is that angle now? All right, how do you think we can figure that out? There's a bunch of ways, we can do it, right? The easiest way I think to do it is to note that the whole circle is 360 degrees. And then if this piece down here represents 110, well then if I subtract the two numbers, then 250 must have been this remaining angle, right? On the other side, hopefully that makes sense because they obviously both have to add up. If this is 250 and this is 110, it better add up to 360. And that's it. All right. So guys, thanks for tuning in. Hopefully that helps. If you can, like and subscribe. All right. I'll see you in the next problem. Check out some more of our other videos too. We got thousands and thousands of videos. Take care.